How will OpenResty X-Rays agent impact the performance of a target Python application? Let's see in this video. Let's run the top command to check the process list. Right now, the agent of OpenResty X-Ray is not running any analysis. So its performance impact on the target processes is strictly zero. Thanks to dynamic tracing technologies. It never modifies the target processes in any way. Look at this GUnicorn process. We already know it is written in Python. Its CPU utilization is about 46.5%. The load average of the last minute is 0.7. The CPU idle percentage is 87.2%. The current available memory is about 2632 megabytes. Let's instruct OpenResty X-Ray to actively analyze that Python process. Then we can see its performance impact on the target. Open the OpenResty X-Ray web console in the web browser. Make sure it is the right machine you are watching. The production mode is for analyzing online production environments. It tries hard to minimize the performance impact on the target applications and servers. It may take longer to analyze though. Go to the guided analysis page. Let's select high CPU usage. Click on Next. Select the Python application. Select the process that consumes 47% of the CPU resources. This is what we saw previously in top. Let's start analyzing. The system will keep performing different rounds of analysis. It will keep sampling for 300 seconds, or 5 minutes. Let's return to the terminal window. We can see that CPU utilization is around 48%. It went up about 1.5%. The load average of the last minute is 0.84 now, increased by 0.14 from 0.7. The CPU idle percentage is 86.7%, nearly the same as the previous value of 87.2%. The currently available memory is 2631 megabytes, a decrease of about 1 megabyte from before. There is no significant change from before. We measured the maximum server throughput in different cases. Here's what we found. Without installing the OpenResty X-Ray agent, the maximum throughput is about 2,300 requests per second. When the agent is installed but not running the analyzers, the request rate remains the same. When the analyzers are sampling, the request rate is around 2,220 RPS, only 3.4% lower than when not doing analysis. It can be seen that running the analyzers for performance analysis has minimal impact on the maximum throughput of the target process. Here is the benchmark showing the impact on request latency during the sampling process. And this is what we found in comparison. Without installing the OpenResty X-Ray agent, the average request latency is 4.32 milliseconds. When the agent is installed but the analyzers are not running, the average latency remains unchanged. When the analyzers are running, the latency becomes 4.48 milliseconds. An increase of merely 0.16 milliseconds. It is evident that running the analyzers for performance analysis has a minimal impact on the latency of the target process. The overhead of automatic analysis in the Insights page and dashboard page is similarly small and tiny. OpenResty X-Ray is a non-invasive diagnostic system based on our own dynamic tracing technology. It can monitor and scan the performance problems, behavioral issues, and security vulnerabilities in real time. If you like this video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.